If you've been selling on Etsy for a while now, you've probably noticed something. A lot of products and a lot of listings look the same. Same style of photo, similar products, same layout, similar pricing structure. With print on demand, it is extremely easy to start this business model, which means you have to work a little bit harder to stand out. It's really hard to get people to click on your listing and buy your product if you don't have a good presentation of the quality of your product. I can bet that you are in one of two camps. The first one being where you are still buying your mockups on Etsy and then going over to Canva, you're messing with the transparency, you're overlaying your designs on your mockups, and you're making every single mockup by hand based off of the historical way to do mockups. Or you are utilizing different AI tools, but your products are coming out looking like AI slop. Both of these do not accomplish our mission, which is utilizing print on demand to make amazing products and present those products to customers that are excited to buy our products. And how do we make them excited to buy our products? We showcase them in a beautiful way. So today I'm walking you through what has changed the game for me on creating different mockups, and I'm gonna say it, listing videos that makes it so much easier for me to work at scale and create designs that look beautiful, seamless, absolutely realistic, but I'm not having to buy a sample for each and every one of them. I'm also talking about a significantly underrated hack to get people to your shop, and that is listing videos. Listing videos are incredibly important right now. People are shopping on Etsy on mobile, on their phones, and having a video and allowing them to experience what your product would actually look like or feel like in real life is going to help them pull the trigger in getting to your shop. You only have fraction of a second to capture that attention, so we need to be standing out. So without further ado, we are gonna walk through exactly how I take busted, not fun, crusty old mockup images and turn them into beautiful, shadowed, high-end, luxurious mockups, as well as videos, all within the click of a few buttons. So today I'm partnering with Kittl to walk you through my workflow and what has changed the game for me to create really aesthetic, beautiful mockups, but not just mockups, actual product designs. I'm showcasing the ability on Kittl today to utilize their flow feature, which allows us to use AI to take an image and make it gorgeous, which we'll walk through. But Kittl is a design platform similar to other big players in the space that has a lot of different templates that can spark your curiosity and your creativity, and you can tweak those templates and utilize them to your advantage for your print-on-demand business. But they have so many more features outside of that. One of the main ones being able to create mockups and now videos through a seamless flow. And before, their videos were good, but you had to kind of think up the scenarios that would make sense for videos. And now they have some specific templates that are exclusively perfect for Etsy, and that has changed the game for me. It makes it easier for me to envision how I can take my products and transform them into images and videos that make me stand out on Etsy. And Kittl is making such a big bet on how their video can transform your Etsy business. Right now, they are offering 2 free months plus additional video usage credits. With the code Etsy, I will drop it in the description below along with the link, but make sure you are utilizing code Etsy at checkout for 2 free months. I will also drop a link in the description below of all of these beautiful templates that are made specifically for Etsy, but let's go through a few examples. So I am full on in Mother's Day mode. If you've been following my channel whatsoever, Mother's Day is the Super Bowl outside of the Q4 season and the holiday season. So I'm making sure all of my listings that could be viewed as Mother's Day listings are up and running, as well as playing around with different listings. So I'm gonna use that for the lens of our experience today. Once you go onto Kittl, you're gonna be able to see all of these gorgeous templates that are specific to Etsy. You'll see that they have here titles that say like Etsy shirt. We are gonna be able to take our own mockups that we would pull off of Printify or take a photo of the actual sample that you've ordered, upload that in, and actually walk through some of these flows. So the example that I'm going to give today is going to be for a mug. I just designed a really cute Mother's Day mug that I'm gonna throw on and create some mockups for. So find an aesthetic that works for you. What's great about this is these are templates, so we can tweak them, we can change the colors, we can make it dark and moody, we can brighten it up. A lot of these are working great for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one that says Etsy mug, and it's gonna open up a template view for us to actually start plugging in some of our own information. If we zoom in here, we're gonna have a couple of different options. Let's say that you have a listing that is popping off, it's amazing, it's getting traffic, you're driving sales through that product, and you have a mockup that is already resonating with your customer. Maybe you don't wanna start from scratch with a brand new kind of aesthetic design on that, but let's say you don't have a video for that product. This is where you can really put that to use and make this a powerhouse for creating creating a video that ties to your listing in particular. Let's say you don't love the mockups that you're using already and you really want your products to be able to show up in like a gorgeous background setting like this. Kittl hooks you up, and there are two different ways. So this is one where if you already have your product in a scene that you're happy with, you can utilize this flow. And if you want to go ahead and upgrade it, you can do that in this flow. So for example, they took this mug, which obviously they probably just ordered one, took a picture of it. It's kind of drab, it's kind of dreary, and they regenerated it into this scene. This is where we can delete this image and we can add in our own image. So upload any photo that you have of your product. I just went ahead and yanked this one out of Printonic, which is where I designed this product in, because I'm making some cool gift sets in that print platform. And once I have my image right where I want it, I'm just going to click on this. As you can see, it opens up with all the different text and the prompt that they use to generate this scene. For all intents and purposes, I'm just going to leave everything as is, but let's say you wanted to make this a little bit more dark and moody and have a more kind of aesthetic background. You can absolutely make tweaks to this. So instead of saying incorporate Scandinavian minimal home decor, you can change this to be rustic farmhouse vibe, and it would make those changes. I like the overall aesthetic here, so I'm just going to hit regenerate. So there you have it. Once I hit regenerate, it takes a little bit of time. It kind of actually swapped up the scene a little bit, which is kind of cool. Like every output you get is going to look a little bit different. Nothing is going to look exactly the same, but it has some utensils in the background, and really the star of the show is the mug. And what I love most about this is it has shadows that play into this. Certain parts of the ceramic mug are actually like shinier and have better reflection to it. So this looks absolutely real. So you can absolutely take this and use this as your cover photo on Etsy or on Shopify. But what takes us to the next level are these templatized video options that they have ready for you. So if I zoom out over here and I want to add a video for my product, you can take a look at the different options that they have. So for example, they've already added in the template here that has pouring coffee. So if you think that this is going to be good and marketed for coffee lovers, you can absolutely use this one. They have one as well for a tea bag, so that could be kind of cool to market towards tea drinkers. And they have one additional one here that is just with the hand kind of taking it out of the scene. So all that look really, really beautiful. It has, again, the shadows, the hand coming into the screen. These look like absolutely real products. I personally am a coffee lover, so I'm going to go back up here and we're going to do the exact same thing. Since I already regenerated with our new mug, all I have to do is go back up to here, open up the text and see what the prompt is, and change this to be regenerate because it's just going to utilize the new mockup that we just created. It'll take a few minutes to actually regenerate, and if you'll see down below here, these are going to be my credits. This is where if you utilize the code Etsy, you're going to get 2 free months of the platform, but every time you utilize their AI generation, it's going to take tokens. So they're going to give you extra tokens with this Etsy deal in order for you to have more AI generation, which take the tokens. Let's go ahead and hit play so we can look at our video. Once again, the coffee pot is coming in. They add a little bit of steam actually to this as well. You can see the shadows. This is absolutely what could be utilized for your social channels. You could also use this as your Etsy listing video. It's been reported that having a video actually increases engagement by up to 300%. So these are great video options that you're gonna be able to stand out from the competition that probably do not have a video. And maybe you're one of those sellers that has great sales with one of your products and one of your mockups is popping off and doing really well, but you don't have a video and you want to just beef up your listing even more. You can take that mockup that is performing really well, drop it into here and just create videos based off of the mockup. Obviously, if you want to order a sample of your product and have an actual video, that's great too. You can make some awesome, great content for social media marketing. But if you don't want to do that for every product, you absolutely do not have to. So what I'm going to do in here is just, I found an awesome performing listing on Etsy that has been live 3 months and is absolutely crushing it. I'm just going to paste that in. Okay, not that it matters too much, but this listing, super cute, personalized dog and cat mug. It's been live about 3 months, already has 500 sales. So customized pet mugs are so in right now. I want to utilize this video where it just kind of zooms in on the product. Nothing crazy, but just allows us to have a little bit of motion and movement to it. So I'm just going to click onto this and I'm going to go ahead and hit regenerate. Okay, so there you have it. It created it and it just shows this video like zooming into the photo, which is super simple, nothing crazy, but again, kind of gives you that sense of movement and engagement that other shops are not activating on. And they have way more templates outside of mugs. They have t-shirts, they have candles, They have digital wall prints as well. So if you do have a digital shop and you want to be able to offer this as a physical print or at least showcase that vibe to your customer, you can absolutely do that as well. And if you sell a different type of product, let's say you sell a DIY product, you can absolutely still use these templates, just swap out the image to be whatever product you sell. Maybe it's jewelry or maybe it's something else, but the same type of methodology is going to work for those products as well. What I love about Kittl as well is they are going to respect the print methodology and make sure that the product is put into the new scene exactly as it looks in the mock-up. So I see a lot of people asking, hey, how do you do embroidery mock-ups? Nowadays, if you make something in Printify and you have embroidery as the print methodology, there's going to be a mock-up in there that has the embroidery in it. That is the product we can actually pull out and place into these scenes. So let's go through an example of that together. So for example, we want to replace this flat lay photo with a photo that we pulled out of Printify. So for example, I have my Make It Rain flat lay of my embroidered Gildan 18,000. I have the product in scene, and I'm gonna put a note on here that says, make sure that the design is embroidered. There we go. It kept the picture exactly as the original, just like boring mock-up, and switched it onto this flat lay, and it still looks like an embroidered item, which is what we want. And then if we go over to here, we can do the exact same thing where it will add in that video for us. Okay, and here we go. We're just gonna hit play here. Keep in mind, not all these templates are going to be something that you use for Etsy. I love this though, if you have your own brand, you're wanting to do something fun. This is very springy. You could change the background, but it gives you that sense of how real these videos actually look, and they're not gonna come off as some like overly AI, doesn't look good. You can have very simple like panning in, somebody picking up the product that adds that level of humanness that the customer is able to then visualize how this product is going to fit their specific need. Once again, if you are interested in utilizing Kittl, they're offering a special right now where you can get 2 free months if you sign up with the code Etsy, and you're also going to get extra AI tokens that allow you more opportunities to create these AI videos and mock-ups like we walked through today. I will drop a link to them in the description below, as well as a link to some of my favorite templates that I am utilizing that are specific and perfect for Etsy in particular. If you have any additional questions about how the platform works, how else to utilize this, how you can really bake out and make the most beautiful listing possible, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and I will continue to make videos that are most helpful to you, my audience. I really appreciate you watching this. I will catch you on the next one.